பண்றது? ரொம்ப போர் அடிக்குதே. ஏதாவது விளையாடியே ஆகணும் கண்டிப்பா. ஓகே. நான் பார்க்கும்போது ஒண்ணுமே இல்லையே. இது என்னன்னு நம்மளுக்கு தெரியாது. கண்டிப்பா ஏதாவது கேமா தான் இருக்கும். ஆமா, இது கேம். விளையாடுறதுக்கு நம்மளுக்கு இன்னொருத்தவங்க வேணும். மேல போய் மித்துக்க வேணா கூப்பிட்டு பார்ப்போம். முடிச்சிருக்கியா?
எங்க இந்த பக்கம்?
உனக்கு தெரிஞ்சது என்ன கேமா இருக்கும்? உனக்கு தெரியுமா? நான் நிறைய நாளா எனக்கு ஒரு பிசினஸ் கேம் வேணும்னு இருக்கேன். எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச நிறைய கேம்ஸ் இருக்கும்னு தோணுது. வாவ்! இது பிசினஸ்! எனக்கு ப்ளூ கலர் கிடைச்சிருக்குமே. வாவ்! நீ என்னடா போட்டுருக்கு? கேம் ஆஃப் பையிங், செல்லிங், ட்ரேடிங் அண்ட் ஈட்டிங் ஆஃப் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி. இங்க பாருங்க, நம்ம நிறைய ஸ்டேட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆல்சோ இன்டர்நெட், ரயில்வேஸ் இது மாதிரி நம்ம நிறைய வாங்கலாம். திறந்து பார்க்கலாம். ஓ, பிளாஸ்டிக் காயின்ஸ் கூட இருக்கு. 5 in 1. வா, திறப்போம். இங்க பாரு. வாவ்! இது பிளாஸ்டிக். ஓகே, சோ இந்த பிசினஸ் கேம் எப்படி விளையாடணும்னு பார்த்தலாமா மிஸ்? பார்த்தலாம். நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு சொல்லி கொடுக்கலாம். This is our property cards for the cities and waterways, internet, electricity, etc. They have given us some cards to remember that we have bought those cities or electricity, waterways, etc. And we have tokens, houses, and 2 dice. We have to put them here because this is a bank. Ina bank irukka podu orutanga bank la irukkom. Before playing one round, I am going to explain the whole board of this. Here, this is hotel. This blue color is hotel. These are our houses and hotels. The red color is one house, yellow 2, green 3, and blue color is a hotel. Here we have all the property cards. They are in 5 colors. So black, red, yellow, green, and blue. Here we also have coins. Blue indicates 50, red 100, pink 500, orange 1000, yellow is 5000, and green is 10,000. And we have 12 coins in each color. Here we will see income tax. For example, you have bought sites. You have bought Goa and Patna. When you land on income tax, it depends on how many sites you have bought. For example, if you buy one site, it is rupees 50. How many sites you have bought? Each site is 50 rupees. அதாவது என்னன்னா ஒவ்வொரு சைட் வந்து 50 rupees. 2 சைட்ஸ் வாங்கிட்டீங்கன்னா நீங்க இன்கம் டாக்ஸ்க்கு 100 rupees கொடுக்கணும். இது மாதிரி நீங்க எவ்வளவு சைட்ஸ் வாங்கினாலும் நீங்க 500க்கு மேல உங்க பேங்க்குக்கு பே பண்ண முடியாது. A tax should not exceed rupees 500. Upload chance. Given us 2 boxes. One boxல odd numbers. In one box they have given us odd. And இன்னொரு boxல நமக்கு even கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Example, now I have rolled 2. It means I have landed on chance. I have rolled 2. 2 is an even number. So I'll go to the even number box. And you have won a crossword competition. Collect rupees 1000 from bank. So here as instruction, we have to take 1000 rupees from the bank. We have bank mortgage value. If you really want to buy the site but you don't have money, what can you do? Here you have bank mortgage value. Here in each card you will have a different mortgage value. And in indoor we got 7. And here if you have got 3 sites in the same color of the card, then the rent will be double. For example, here you have built a hotel in indoor and it's 5,500 rupees if somebody lands, and you have 3 other ones like Kanpur and Patna, then this 1,000 rupees change. And he also has got 2 hotels. So he has to give me 8,000. Give me 8,000. 2. I have landed on internet. I don't want internet, so I'm not buying that site. Mythic has rolled a 10. So now let's use 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Community chest. So here we have 2 boxes of community chest. One for odd numbers and one for even numbers. My brother rolled an even number. We are going to check this side of the book. So 10. Pay school and medical fees. 1,000 to the bank. Now it's my turn. So I have rolled a 3. 1, 2, 3. So income tax. So when you land on income tax, did not buy any sites yet. But if I have bought a site, one site is equals to 50 rupees. Now I didn't buy any site, so I'm not paying the rupees. Now Mythic has rolled a 4. So he has landed on chance. So just like community chess, chance also has odd numbers and even numbers. So here, as my brother rolled a 4, an even number, here we are going here. Go to rest house. You cannot play next turn, which means he has to go to rest house and he cannot play his next turn. And now I'm going to roll. So I rolled a 4, which means I'm going to jail. If you want to escape from jail, you can just pay rupees 500 to the bank to escape, or you can also stay in the jail and not go out. And I'm going to give rupees 500 to the bank and I'm going to escape. And now I'm going to roll my dice as he lost his turn. Oh. It's chance, as I already told you. This is odd, even, and I'm going to odd. Go to club. Pay rupees 1,500 for party to bank. Okay, to club 500 to the bank. Now it's my turn. 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Wealth tax. So if a player lands on wealth tax, they have to pay rupees 50 for each house and rupees 100 for each hotel they have. So my brother has 6 houses and 2 hotels.
Once upon a time, there lived a ghost.
Which means he has to pay 500 to the bank. And just like income tax, wealth tax is the same. The tax should not exceed rupees 500. Turn to roll the dice. Rest house. So if a player lands in rest house, the opponent player or players should give 100 rupees. So as I landed in rest house, I got 100 rupees. And it's time to roll the dice. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So friends, see here, he has crossed the start line. And as he has passed, the bank gives 1,500 because he passed. Because here, correct rupees 1,500 as you pass. My brother has landed on internet and he has passed that. So Mythic, do you want to buy internet? Sure. So he's going to give 6,000 rupees. Count. Here you go. Now my turn. 1, 2. So I'm going to buy Bangalore. And I'm going to buy 2 hotels also. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He has landed on Ahmedabad. I don't really want it.
நீ உருட்டுமா உன் நல்ல மனசுக்கு நீ தான் ஜெயிப்ப.
5, 6. So I should not collect the rupees because I didn't pass the start and I'm landing on start. So I should not collect rupees 1,500. 4, 5, 6. Hyderabad. I have no. You don't want it? It's fine.
ஏடா உருட்ட.
2, 1, 2. I have landed on internet and how much is the cost? 600. 400, 500. So why I am giving him 600 rupees is because internet is his site and I have landed on his site. So I am giving the rupees mentioned on the card. See, rent 600. So I am giving 600 rupees. On Airways. Do you want to buy Airways? Surely. Okay, so this is the game of business, and also I forgot to tell you one thing. If you buy waterways, any other things, for example, I have bought electricity and waterways. Electricity and waterways are a fact. So, for example, actually, if I have electricity only 20 times, for example, my brother has rolled 7 and has landed on electricity, he has to pay 7 into 20 rupees to me. Okay, I hope you